Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix overheating problems experienced in all MacBooks after a certain period of time. Whether it is your MacBook Air or your MacBook Pro, all these laptops have built-in fan for cooling, but with time, these fans do not work as per required due to software problems. Here I'll show you how to download an application and install it in your MacBook. This application will help you gain manual access to the fan. So let's dive right into it. So I already have this installed, but I'll just let you know how to download it. We'll go to Safari. We'll go and type SMC fan control. This is the website. I'll just drop the link down below. This application is completely safe and free to use. You can go ahead and download it from here. Let me just open it up. You can download it from here, and here it starts. Here it is downloaded, and when this is done, we'll just go to desktop and go ahead and open it. Here it will come on the menu bar, and we'll open it. You can manually set the RPM and presets from here, like I have done it. Higher RPM, heated, extreme temperature, full speed, normal, high heat. Go ahead and just press full speed in this, and here we are. So this way you can control the fan speed and save your laptop from heat issues. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.